Hello and welcome. Till now, you have exploited the vulnerability and got a shell prompt interpretation. Now, what to do next? The very first step after the exploitation has been completed is to get and move around the network to find the default credentials and moving laterally without any credentials or passwords. So, there will be one tool that will be beneficial at this point, that is responder. Responder requires no more ID passwords. It simply requires commands to start. Here you can see I have started the responder in my network on the interface, that is ETH0, and with the another options like getting hash password from the LAN manager. So what it will typically try to find out is that it will just simply poison the simple vulnerability, that is WPAD in Windows, that is simply a file handling vulnerability. You can find more about the WPAD vulnerability over the internet by simply a Google search. And this is the net BIOS name services, and this is the DNS. So it try to poison all these trees and get all the details related to these servers, and also perform some additional tasks as well. As you can see, I have used and I started this one, and it have tried to face the results. I will show you what was the result, and it is still running because it takes some time, like 5 to 10 minutes upon starting. This is the NetBIOS name services link local multicast name resolution on which the responder depends upon. Link local multicast name resolution is a service in the browser that is set to automatically. When a browser is set to automatically get configuration details, it tries to find out and get configuration files from the network. Like you can see, automatically detect settings. So this is always by default. You can't say this is the vulnerability, but upon this one, responder tries to figure out all the system details and try to get default passwords, and if there is any misconfigurations present on the system. So this is the link local multicast name resolution on which this responder depends upon. So now let's see what it have collected for me. Here you can see what it is trying to do at this time. At first, it tried and successfully get the system details like Windows 7 that is running on host system. It asks you to provide a interface on which it will be running. So I have provided my interface on a single laptop, and it have collected all the 3 networks that is running: one Windows 7, Windows XP, and one is Linux. Till now you can see these have also extracted the NTLM v2 version 2 hashes from the Windows 7 machines and with the usernames. And this is the IP address of interface, that is gateway IP. It have poisoned LLMNR on the PC, that is the same PC that it have poisoned, and found the hashes, that is the password for that system, that is host system Windows 7 Ultimate. And the second one is Windows XP, that is Windows 5.1, and LAN Manager as a client version. It have tried to do many things and performed well. When you will run this responder in a network environment, like if it is running in the Ethernet and running hundreds and thousands of computers, then it will try to figure out and poison every computer, because it poisons the interface, that is gateway, and every traffic passing through the gateway IP will be captured by this one. And it will also provide simply a password. As you have seen, it have successfully get a hashed password from that local machine. Now we can just crack with the John the Ripper and log in on the domain controller with the admin password and the admin privilege. So this is the best way on which we can relay and perform after the exploitation has been completed, because after the exploitation you have nothing like a passwords or something else. If you have, you are the lucky one, and it is good to go for the post exploitation. Use at least 5 to 10 computers if you can, otherwise 2 to 3 is more, and then try to see what is the results it provides for you, how it is beneficial for you. Simply typing responder, and with the help will provide you with the help results how you can run. Like if it says likely break stuff on the network, and that is default false. So do not try to use this one, because it will really break on the computer. If you are running Windows XP or anything on the virtual machine, then it's okay. Otherwise, if you are running real one like I am using at this time, Windows 7, it is not safe to use like these commands. So use it and practice it. Thank you.